Welcome to the city of Rochester, Michigan. Come with me as we check out 3 family-friendly things to do right here in Rochester. Settled in 1817, Rochester has been named one of the top 100 best places to live. Speaking of a great place, when you see the sign of the black and white cow, you know you are at Rochester Hills Museum at Van Hoosen Farm. The museum is everything Rochester, with exciting activities and events such as Rochester Garden Walk, Wet and Wild Wednesdays, Stream Science, and the Stone Wall Pumpkin Festival. Hey everyone, this is Barb Baker, and I have Dylan Foss, who is the interpretive assistant at Rochester Hills Museum at Van Hoosen Farm. What makes the Rochester Hills Museum so important to Rochester?
We showcase a lot of local Rochester history, so we showcase the stories of people and businesses that helped to make Rochester what it is today. Van Hoosens were very influential worldwide, namely Dr. Bertha Van Hoosen. She was a surgeon and a female doctor who went on to found the American Medical Women's Association. And then Dr. Sarah Van Hoosen Jones, Bertha's niece, went on to become a master farmer and started a farm at a time where not a lot of women were owning their own property. And she turned this property, her family home, into a world-renowned dairy farm.
Stretch your legs on Michigan's first non-motorized rail-to-trail, Paint Creek Trail. Opened in 1983, this 8.9-mile linear park was converted from the former Penn Central Railroad. Find the Rochester Municipal Park, Dinosaur Hill, the Rochester Public Library, and Cruise's Paint Creek Tavern. Traverse by bike or by foot and go from Rochester to Orion Township. We'll see you out there. Craving cookie dough? Dino's Cookie Dough Bar has 10 flavors of homemade cookie dough and tons of ice cream to hit the spot. Founded by the Proppus family, they turned their famous 43-year-old Greek restaurant, the Crazy Greek, into the first cookie dough bar in Oakland County. What's better than the desserts? The people, who've been a community cornerstone in downtown Rochester. Drop by and indulge in delicious cookie dough, ice cream, conversation, and Rochester history.